Hello, I'm Stephen Howard and this is my field trip video. For my field trip, I chose to go to MOTE Marine Laboratory and Aquarium. I chose this location because I had heard that it was a nice aquarium from friends who had already been there. Also, it interested me because it houses laboratories and I wanted to see what scientists were studying there. The most significant concepts I learned about on this field trip were coral reef destruction and invasive species. Coral reefs are very important marine ecosystems and are one of the most biologically diverse ecosystems on the planet. They are home to many different fish species, such as the ones that you can see in this video clip, but they're very fragile and face destruction across the globe. The map shows reefs that are threatened, endangered, and most endangered, and you can see that there are a lot of reefs in trouble. Coral reefs face danger from ocean acidification, pollution, overfishing, and other human factors. I also learned about invasive species in Florida, which are species that cause harm by spreading to environments that they are not native to. These videos show the lionfish, which is an invasive species to Florida. It comes from the Indo-Pacific region and has many venomous spines which protect them from predators and help them catch prey. This makes them dangerous to the Florida marine environment because they don't have any natural predators here, so their numbers can continue to grow and destroy natural populations of native fish. I feel that these were the most significant concepts, as you can see them all around Southwest Florida. I think my field trip did change my perceptions on our local marine environment some, as it made me realize how fragile many of the marine ecosystems and species are, and how they could easily be lost forever unless they are protected. Being able to see the beauty of the oceans up close and these species from faraway places made me think about how many marine species there really are in the world and how vulnerable they are to human actions. One thing I learned on the field trip that was a practical example of something from the textbook was the use of camouflage in the marine environment. In these pictures you can see species such as the dwarf cuttlefish, which can change colors, the ribbon sea dragon, which blends in with grasses, the yellowhead jawfish, which blends in with the sand, and some other ambush predators that look like rocks and strike fish when they get close enough. All of these species use camouflage to hide from predators or catch prey, as seen in the textbook on pages 392 to 393. The primary producer I chose to sketch is the black mangrove tree, or Avicennia germinans. The black mangrove tree is unique because it is a mangrove and can grow directly in salt water. It is different from the red mangrove and the white mangrove because it has roots that come straight out of the mud, which are called pneumatophores, or air-breathing roots, which help the black mangrove tree survive in muddy conditions. The aquarium didn't have any full-size mangroves, and I didn't think to take a picture of the outside, so I took a picture of these, which they have planted to try to grow up to full size. The marine animal I chose to sketch is the jackknife fish, also known as Aquestus lanceolatus. This is a very interesting fish with a very large first dorsal fin and has odd black stripes all across his body. These fish are found in bays, sounds, and deep coral reefs where they feed on small shrimp, crabs, worms, mollusks, and sometimes other small fish. The major anatomical feature is the large first dorsal fin, which when combined with those black stripes can confuse predators and prey, either causing them to not think that the jackknife fish isn't a real fish, or by hiding their eyes so that the other fish do not know how they are oriented in the water. These adaptations help them survive in their marine environment by protecting them against predators and helping them catch prey. I had a lot of fun going on this trip to the MOTE Marine Aquarium and Laboratories, and I thought it was really cool to see a lot of marine species that I've never seen before. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.